If you've been on this channel or on my TikTok for any amount of time, you probably have seen this, the unfinished Ace of Spades, the actual barrel, not barrel, the spinny thing, whatever that's called. It's over there, and I think it's about time I actually paint this thing instead of just keeping it primer red. There's not really going to be any rhyme or reason to this. I'm just using some black gloss spray paint. Probably should be wearing a mask or something, but I mean, just start spraying. It is gonna take a few coats to really cover that right up. And then after I'm done with all the black base, I'm gonna lay down some tape and like mark out where I want the white spots to be and whatnot. We'll let that sit for just a minute, and then we will put a few more coats on it. If I really want to cover every surface, in between coats, I'm gonna have to move like the trigger and the hammer back and forth, so then I can really like get the spots that slide underneath and stuff. But I think it's about ready for a second coat. Just a moment. I think about one more coat should do it. There's gonna be a few nasty little spots right about here. A few little cracks and crevices where this isn't really gonna get all too well. I might go back with a brush, or it might get covered up by the white spray paint that's gonna be applied soon. So it's really starting to look kind of sort of like the actual thing. Reorientated it. So now I'm getting all the parts I didn't originally get, and the chickens are out, so pardon them. I mean, other than me, I'm gonna be the only one that's gonna see this bit, but it still matters to me. Stop it! All right. What's that? I think we're good on black. Gonna let it set for probably 20-25 minutes till it's no longer tacky, and then I'm gonna lay down some tape on it, mark out a few designs, really just to, what's it called, lay out the patterns for the white spray paint, and then gonna get painted. I gotta do the barrel though. Not barrel, what's it called? The thing that holds the bullets. Thing you spin. I'll look it up. Gun drying right there. It wasn't tacky anymore, so just set it there to dry, just gently. If anything sticks to it, I'll redo it, but doing the cylinder now. That's what it's called, by the way. I'm sure editing Denton knew that, but spray painting Denton did not. All right. Coat 1 of the cylinder is now let to dry. Just wait. We'll just wait and see how it turns out. All right. This might be the tilted still. There we go. This might be the last coat for the cylinder. And then the sun's gonna be setting any minute now. So let's get this started. I honestly think that was it. I mean, there was just a bit of patching to do, and other than that, I do think it is good. I mean, it covered up that red primer really well, but yes. I like to keep my videos, whether they're printing or whatever today's is, relatively short. Most of them are 6 to 8 minutes long, and I hate to do part 2s, but I guess this was part 1 where we really just spray painted the outside of the gun in the barrel or the cylinder. The other videos project is going to be finished. Part of it's going to be finished printing tomorrow. And I'll have you guys updated on that whenever it does come out, I guess. So, I guess this is the end of part 1 for the Ace of Spades, what's it called? The Ace of Spades coat, Ace of Spades painting, whatever you want to call it, decals, whatever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like watching someone spray paint for 5-8 minutes, click like, subscribe maybe even if this is your sort of thing, 3D printing, painting, that kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in part 2 of this video.